Hey guys, wanted to do a quick video comparing some seatbelt repair companies out there. If you're watching this video, you're probably already familiar what seatbelt repair is. Pretty much you're working with a car that's been in an accident, you have a locked or blown seatbelt, and you're trying to send it out to a company that's going to repair it. Not going to go too into depth with that. You're probably already familiar with it all. I just want to go ahead and compare some companies that do this. So let's just go to google.com and search for seatbelt repair. All right off the bat, we got My Airbags, we got Safety Restore, we got some links to some questions. Safety Restore, we got Safety Restore, seatbelt repair, and Repair My SRS. All right, so first one, let's just click on it. So this is myairbags.com. So the first thing probably is price. So let's just go ahead and see what they have for price. So it looks like a pretty good company as far as reviews go, and they start their seatbelt repair services at $89.99. Ooh, and they got a 10% off pop-up. So 10% off, $89.99 for first customers. That's cool. Let's just go ahead and compare the next company, Safety Restore. 10% off instantly. Okay. And we got $79.99. Good reviews. All right, so right off the bat, Safety Restore is a little bit cheaper. So let's start breaking down the first two that popped up, Safety Restore and My Airbags. Let's see what, all right, so right off the bat, 100% OEM parts, 24-hour turnaround, and lifetime warranty. Let's go back and see what they have offering from My Airbags. Seatbelt pre-tensioner repair. Click on it. We have $89.99. Looks like some video explaining what's going on. I don't see 24 hours. Let me just put something in. Let's put in an Acura ILX 2024. Let's see some options. Color seatbelt. No, we're not looking for that. Yeah, locked seatbelt. Not looking for. Let's just see if they have to turn around. Okay, so we have this cart. Let's just look in the cart. So we got $89.99. I don't see OEM parts or 24-hour turnaround or a warranty here, but let's just go ahead and check out, see what we have here. Okay, so another thing, shipping, $39. So we got one seatbelt, $89. Let me go ahead and open a new tab. Let me go ahead and do seatbelt repair again. Safety Restore. Let's just add it to our cart. Let's compare shipping. All right, so we got total shipping is $25, and we got a total of $104.99 compared to $128.99. And again, this is 24-hour turnaround, lifetime warranty, 100% OEM parts. I still don't see that here. Let me just make sure I did not miss something. Okay, so comparing Safety Restore and My Airbags, price-wise, Safety Restore is cheaper. Let me go. Oh, and this is not counting the 10% coupon that I'm sure we can get. Again, we got $79.99 per seatbelt. My Airbags is $89.99. Safety Restore is $25 return shipping. My Airbags is $39. Total we have from SafetyRestore.com, $104.99. My Airbags, $128.99. Now let's see. Highest rated in America. Let's actually check that. So let's just Google Safety Restore. Nope, we don't want the website. We want Google Safety Restore. We got 2,449 reviews, 4.7. Let me see if I can pull up a BBB profile. Okay, so safety restore 4.76 out of 5. My airbags does not claim that, but let's just go ahead and Google them as well. My airbags reviews 4.7. 1,928 reviews versus, I already lost that tab, but let's see how many. Safety 2,000. So I guess that claim is correct. Safety Restore is the highest rated. Let's see if they have a BBB profile as far as my airbags goes. BBB. Yep, there we go. 3.5 out of 5 versus Safety Restores 4.7 out of 5. As far as ratings and reviews goes, looks like Safety Restore is a little bit up there, but I would not say that my airbags is much further away from them. So let's just do a quick Google search for another seatbelt repair to see if there's another company. Safety Restore. Oh, we got Seatbelt Planet. Let's just take a peek. So Seatbelt Planet looks like they do. I don't think they do seatbelt repairs, but let me check. Services, custom, repair service. New webbing, replacement seatbelt. Okay, so I don't think they do seatbelt repair after accident. Safety Restore and My Airbags does. So let me go back and see if My Airbags offers color. Well, they do, because we actually saw that right there. So if you're looking for that, My Airbags does that as well. Let's see if Safety Restore does. SafetyRestore.com. Seatbelt repair, webbing. Yep, they do that as well. So if you're looking, there's the reviews. Actually, they had it right there, so we don't even need to search. Well, as far as price goes, looks like Safety Restore is the winner. As far as reviews goes, looks like Safety Restore is the winner, along with the claims that it's done in 24 hours. They use 100% OEM parts, and they have lifetime warranty. Again, let me just go back and see if My Airbags offers that. I do not see that. Well, there you have it, folks. We just did a quick Google search for seatbelt repairs and compared the top ranking companies that do offer this service, and we have a clear winner being SafetyRestore.com. And they've been in business since 2013, so that's always a plus. If you have a company offering lifetime warranty, you kind of do want them to have been in business for a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck with your seatbelt repair.